In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually refresh your email in Outlook 5 minutes. This is a quick, reliable way to make sure you're seeing the very latest messages in your inbox, especially if it looks like nothing new has arrived or you're waiting on something time sensitive. First, open Outlook on the web and sign into your account. Once you're in, give the page a second to load your mailbox. Outlook usually checks for new mail automatically, but sometimes you want to force a fresh update. Maybe you've been idle for a while, your network briefly dropped, or you're expecting an important message that hasn't appeared yet. Before you continue, if you have a draft open, save it so you don't risk losing any changes during a page reload. Next, click your browser's reload or refresh button. You'll find it at the top of your browser window, usually as a circular arrow near the address bar. A single click tells the browser to re-request the Outlook page from the server. This does more than just redraw the screen. It forces the web app to reconnect and pull the newest data, including fresh emails, updated read or unread status, new folder counts, and other mailbox changes that might have happened on the server while you were looking away. If you don't see the reload icon right away, look carefully along the address bar area. It's typically to the left or right of the URL, depending on the browser. Make sure you're clicking the browser's control and not anything inside the Outlook page itself. Now, wait for Outlook to reload. You may notice the page briefly go blank, a loading spinner, or the mailbox panels repopulating. This is normal. Give it a moment to complete the round trip to the server, especially if your internet connection is slow. When the interface returns, glance at the top of your inbox and check for new messages. Sorting by date with the newest on top helps. If you use Focused and other tabs, check both, since a refreshed mailbox can route incoming mail into either view based on your settings. Also, make sure no filters are hiding messages you expect to see. If nothing new appears, that usually means there simply aren't new messages yet, or the sender's email is still on its way. You can repeat this manual refresh anytime you need a confidence check. And that's it. Open Outlook on the web, click your browser's refresh button, and wait for the page to fully reload. Use this simple routine whenever you want to be absolutely sure your inbox is up to date.